My beautiful wife bought me the back window for my Beamer, for my E30, for Father's Day. It was about 130 bucks on eBay. This is a late model, so it has a zipper, and came with in the package cement, these zippers, and some instructions. And just to give you an idea of the back window, it was so bad that the first time I brought the top down and folded it, it broke. So perfect timing. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and swap this window out. Do my best to document it to give you guys some tips. Alrighty, so you have to pop out this clip here, and I'm using a little flathead to do that. And it's both sides, so it's starting to come loose there. And there you go. Now make sure you don't lose this, because you're gonna need it. Clip on the inside, you gotta pry it up from here too. And I guess I'm gonna have to straighten these legs out. They're meant to pierce through. The thing you have to do is kind of mark off exactly where the zipper starts. So it's, you see right here, how, because you need to start the other zipper in the same place. To pry the zipper apart. And look here, right here. What I'm trying to get out of it is one more season, and as you can see, it's very delicate. So as I was removing the top, the zipper kind of came separated from the canvas. So what I'm gonna do now is stitch it back and just follow the original lines, but just to secure it in place. Sit here and in that other corner, so it's ready to go. And now I'm gonna begin the zip up process. Stay tuned. Once you get it going and you figure out the left and the right, the distance of where it needs to be, it will really start cooking. It goes by really fast. The hardest part is just starting it. The other thing that I found is it's best to crack the top. I didn't see that anywhere. No one discusses that. And then lift the back up a little bit of hair as you're getting to the bottom, and that'll help it go a little bit better. It's completely installed. A couple of smudges. And I have to kind of open and reseat it back down, but compared to what was on there, it's a 1000% improvement.